Hello everyone, I hope all of you are liking my videos. Kindly watch the videos fully, and I request you to kindly like, subscribe and share my channel, that is connect with DVRK. So I'm trying my best to gather the information and to give you the information in a very easy way and quick manner. Thank you. So in my previous video I tried to cover few public sector undertaking companies which recruit civil engineers, and in continuation to that I am also giving the details regarding the companies which recruit civil engineers. Those are PSUs. So starting from BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. So they have many plants for they have many plants spread across India for manufacture of heavy machinery. And then you have CCI, Cement Corporation of India. They manufacture cement. Then the plants are spread all over India. Then you have Damodar Valley Corporation. This is basically a hydropower project constructed on Damodar River. So they also recruit engineers for maintenance of the project. Then you have Cochin Shipyard Limited. Then you have Eastern Coalfields. Then this is a dredging corporation of India. They basically what they do is they take up dredging in the seas. So they also recruit engineers, civil engineers. Then you have Hindustan Shipyard, again for the maintenance of shipyard and activities. Then you have Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers. There are very few vacancies in this. This is based out in Kolkata. So basically they are engaged in shipbuilding activities, and as you are aware, wherever there is an infrastructure, there is a building, where there is a development need, you need an engineer for apart from construction, you also need a civil engineer for its maintenance. So you have Central Coalfields Limited, again and the Central Coalfields, where you have mining ores for for extraction of coal. Then you have, this is a fertilizer company, Fact Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited. You also have they also recruit engineers for maintenance and construction of new plants, fertilizer plants. Then you have Kripco. This is also a fertilizer company. Then you have Indian Rare Earths Limited. This is basically their main focus is to extract rare earth minerals. These are basically a rare earth mineral. So they also recruit civil engineers. But these companies like these Rare Earth Limited and this Fact Tripco, they recruit engineers in a very less in less number when compared to uh, project related companies like hydro power project. Then you have electricity related NTPC. Then you have these wherein the construction activities is like continuous process, and the maintenance is also where there is lot of scope for maintenance. Then the in those companies civil engineers requirement is more. Then you have IREDA. This is a recently formed PSUs. Like, I mean to say, even though it is formed earlier, but it is in the news very in recent times due to increase in portion of renewable energy. So this is IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. So where their motive is to increase the percentage of renewable energy for meeting out the energy demand in India. And then you have Mahanadi Coalfields, that is in based in Orissa. So they also recruit engineers for maintenance of the coalfields, etc. Then you have Broadcast Engineering Consultants India, Broadcast Engineering Consultants India. They recruit engineers for, again, like providing consultancy services for construction of buildings, etc. Then you have Malabar Cement. This is also based out in Kerala, where they recruit engineers for construction and maintenance of cement plants. Then you have Minerals Exploration Corporation of India. This is basically mineral exploration like uranium exploration. Then Indian Rare Earths Limited, etc. This is also it is also a similar company, Minerals Exploration Corporation of India. This is like MECL. Then you have Midani. It is located in Hyderabad. So they also recruit engineers for maintenance of their plant, etc. Then you have NFL, National Fertilizers Limited. This is also again a fertilizer company. Then you have NPCC. This is basically a project construction as well as consultancy company, that is National Projects Construction Corporation Limited. They take up construction of buildings and also government buildings, and they also provide consultancy services for construction of buildings. Then you have Northern Coalfields Limited, where the extraction of coal is from the mines is their work. Then you have Singareni Limited, mostly based out in Telangana. So again, this is Singareni Limited also, they extract coal from the mines. Then you have Northeastern Electrical Power Corporation India, NEPCO, where the aim is to provide electrification to the northeastern states and northeastern part of the country. Then you have Numaligarh Refinery Limited, this is also a oil extraction, oil refineries. Then you have PDIL, this is also Projects Development India Limited. They also take up construction of many government buildings, and they also provide consultancy services. Then you have RCFL, this is also a fertilizer company, and for preparation of chemicals, manufacturing of chemicals, that is Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizers Limited. Then you have SCCI, this is also a recent one, that is Solar Energy Corporation of India. It is very clear from the name that their aim is to produce solar energies. So then you have THDC, this is based out in Uttarakhand. This is a hydropower project, that is Tehri Hydro Development Corporation Limited. Then you have thermal power plants like Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station, that is based in MP and surroundings. Then you have Western Coalfields, here that again extraction of coal. Then Mazagon Dock Limited, this is based in Kolkata, and their duty is to making of ship. This is also into shipbuilding activity. Then you have Kamarajar Port Limited, I think this is in Tamil Nadu. There again their engineers are required for maintenance of port. Then you have Indian Tourism Development of India. So this again development of tourist sites on behalf of Government of India. Then you have Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited, again this is a shipyard maintenance job. Then you have Heavy Engineering Corporation of Limited. This is basically a preparation of Then you have Hindustan Copper Limited. Then again you have Goa Shipyard Limited. Then again Eastern Coalfield Limited. So there are many hundreds and hundreds of PSUs that are existing in India, which there are many, as I said. So there are hundreds and hundreds of PSUs which recruit engineers, civil engineers, for again expansion, for the maintenance, and for meeting out day-to-day activities. So I once again request you to keep in touch, and keep updated with the notifications. Just go through their websites, and there are many other websites which provide notifications, which give you, if you subscribe, and if you can subscribe to their mails, they'll definitely they keep sending the mails regarding if there is any notification, you will be able to know. And again I repeat this again and again, that you must be in touch. I mean, you must read every day, try to read every day, be in touch with your subjects, I mean to say, and practice. Again I repeat, it is just keep practicing various model questions, go through the previous papers, go through various mock tests, and try to answer the questions, try to thorough with your subject, try to clear your concept. And if you do this regularly, and definitely I'm sure all of you will definitely get into a public sector undertaking, or any state government civil engineer job, or central government job, etc. There are, as I said, there are so many opportunities for civil engineers, and many of us are not aware of these PSUs and central government jobs that are available for civil engineers. And thank you for listening. Thank you.